Good day, everyone. I am Midshipman Miko Jarvi B. Molina, BS Mar 3, Section Florin. Today, I'm gonna discuss to you about the history of my hometown, Maasin, Iloilo, also known as Bamboo Capital of Iloilo. Contents. First, etymology. Second, significant people and local heroes. Third, geography. Fourth, culture. Etymology. Maasin got its name from a salt spring in Barangay Magsaysay, more or less 2 kilometers from the population. As revealed by our forefathers, the early settlers used to go spring for needed supply of salt. In 1775, Maasin has acquired a status of a town with appointment of Don Agustin Garcia as its first captain. When the Americans came in, the town was made the Arrabal of Cabanatuan on April 4, 1903. As it was observed, it could not stand by itself financially. However, the town leaders entitled for the purpose of separation of Maasin. Don Vicente Malaga represented the municipal district to the council in Cabanatuan. Maasin regained its old status as an independent municipality when the late Governor Francis Borton Harrison eventually appointed Don Vicente Malanga as the first municipal president in 1916. Significant people and local heroes. Otto Valentin was a native of Maasin, Iloilo, and made Barangay Trangka his home, which is approximately 15 kilometers away from the poblacion. No record shows his real name, but he was popularly called Otto. The old folks of Maasin remember him to be a tough and a robust man 5'7" tall, with fair complexion and long hair down to his shoulders. Despite the label of notoriety attached to him by the Americans, he was considered as a leader and protector of the natives. Whenever the natives of barangay under his jurisdiction were harmed by those from the outside, none of the latter can enter or leave the area without a wound or injury as a penalty for their actions. This was the way, according to the folks, Otto dispensed justice and vindicated the harm done to his people. Because of this, he was respected by the folks and was provided with a plenty of food. The areas under Otto's protection were the barangays of Bolo, Dagami, Nagpa, and Trangka. Strangers suspected to be a threat could not go near his territory, for his followers guarded the area. Because he was believed to be possessed an amulet given to him by the giant monkey, he possessed supernatural abilities. Thus, the presence and approach of enemies were detected by him right away. Otto's struggle against the Americans continued up to the later years, but the new ruler failed to capture him. As stability and prosperity began to seep into the lives of people of Panay, especially in lower lands, the desire for peace became stronger. Gonzalo Salinas, a native Philippine constabulary but a friend of Otto, encouraged him to surrender. He assured the latter of the safety of himself and his family after his surrender. Salinas further promised to assist him to avail of an amnesty grant. Otto finally surrendered sometime in the 1920s, and his going down from the hills was a historic event in Maasin. Hundreds of people from the town and nearby municipalities came to get a good view of the man who was a famous fugitive for many years and who openly challenged the might of America. In retrospect, the resistance movement led by Otto was apparently a quasi-religious cult and did not assume a clear political agenda. Yet, his action, when critically viewed today, was clearly part of Filipino desire to be free from foreign domination. Geography. Maasin is a third-class municipality in the province of Iloilo, Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has population of 38,461 people. The municipal of Maasin is located at the west central part of Iloilo province, bounding the northern part by the municipality of Haniway, on the east by the municipality of Cubatwan, on the by the municipal of Alimudjan, and on the non-western by the mountain range of province of Antique. The distance is 30 kilometers from Iloilo City. It has a total land area of 17,110 hectares, including the 6,150 hectares of watershed area. According to 1991 projected population of Popcom, Maasin has terrain ranging from the plain to strongly hilly and mountainous. Mountainous areas cover approximately 8,212.8 hectares, or 48% of total municipal areas located at northwestern portion of the town. All of the urban barangays are located in the lowlands. Livelihood of the people. Major industry: bamboo crops industry, agriculture, backyard hog raising, cattle fattening, backyard poultry raising, and backyard vegetable gardening. At lastly, culture. The town of Maasin is known for its Tultugan Festival held annually during the town fiesta in December 30. This celebration is held in honor for the patron saint of Maasin, Saint James the Great, and the kawayan livelihood in Maasin. The town of Maasin is also dubbed as the bamboo capital of Iloilo. The Tultugan Festival is primarily dedicated to bamboo and its various uses and functions. Held every fourth week of December, it features street dancing and a tribal dance competition. The highlight of the celebration is the tribal dance competition that showcases the various usage of bamboo in the community. Maasin historical sites are Pait Spring, Maasin Watershed View Deck, Hinis Hill, and Garang Hill. And these are the references. Thank you for watching.